What's up, dads? It's Josh. Welcome to Best Dressed Dad. Hope all of you are doing well today. Just recording a quick vlog for you because I'm swinging by my tailor. I've got a few things that I want him to adjust for me. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for that. I'm going to have him probably take in this dress shirt a little bit. I'm also going to see if he can add buttons to the collar to make it a button-down collar. I've never tried that before with this sort of a dress shirt, so I'm going to see if you can do that. I've got these pants that I used to wear a lot, but just haven't been wearing very much lately just because they're too big around the waist specifically. So I'm going to have him see if he can take those in and then also taper the bottom a little bit more so it's not quite as wide. And then the other thing I'm going to have him take a look at is this jacket. So I don't know if you guys remember this, but I actually got this a while ago. Something that I'd wanted to try was buying a jacket from a thrift store. I think I got that for like, I don't know, it was less than $10. I don't remember the exact amount. But buying something for an extremely low price at a thrift store and then seeing if we can get it tailored to make a perfect fit to ultimately get a very inexpensive, perfectly fitting jacket. So I'm going to try that. Probably not going to record a whole lot inside. I'll just show you what stuff looks like as I'm trying it on before, and then I'll record another video after. So yeah, let's head on in and I'll show you what these look like before they get tailored. Here's a look at the dress shirt. Overall, just a little too big. So taking some of the fabric out, also going to slim it up under the armpit area for a perfect fit. Here are the pants, not too bad. Like I said, the waist is too big. I usually wear like a 34 or a 35. These are probably more like a 36. Then we're gonna taper the leg below the knee. Finally, here's the jacket. Again, just overall too big. Although it fits really well in the shoulders, it's just more of a regular fit rather than a slim. So he's gonna fix that for me. All right, just got done with the tailor. Said it'll take about a week or so, but he's gonna slim up the shirt for me. He's also going to dart the waist of the pants. I don't need to have the whole seat replaced or anything like that. He's just going to dart the back. I'll show you what that actually means when I get him back. And then he's going to taper the leg just below the knee. Fits well through the calf, or through the thigh, so he's going to do it below the knee. And then the jacket, yeah, we're just going to slim that up a little bit. Doesn't need any other major adjustments. I'll talk about this more, but finding a jacket that fits correctly on the shoulders is really, really important. That's really the only thing that can't be fixed. I should say it's just going to be super expensive to get fixed. So I'll check in with you guys in about a week or so and let you know how things turned out. So keep an eye out for another video in probably about a week or so. Until then, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And yeah, let me know if you like this kind of stuff too, if you like these more vlog style videos rather than the other setup I've been doing traditionally. So, all right guys, I'll catch you next time. Love your kids, love your clothes.